Hello students and viewers, welcome back to class. This is Shahnas Parveen here with your online class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, as a part of our revision, we started a class on to convert sentences. We have already learned how to convert affirmative to negative. Dear students, now we are going to learn how to change assertive into interrogative. Assertive sentence with auxiliary verb. Rule 1. If the sentence is affirmative, we can change it by the following way. To be verb plus, not plus, subject plus, extension plus, marks of interrogation. Look at the example. He is a good player. Our interrogative is not he a good player? Or is he not a good player? Rule 2. If the sentence is negative, to be verb plus, subject plus, extension plus, marks of interrogation. Our assertive, I was never late. Interrogative, was I ever late? Here we also change the negative word never into affirmative ever. Sentence without auxiliary verb. Rule 3. If the sentence is in present indefinite, then we can change it into interrogative by following the structure. Don't or doesn't plus subject plus base form of verb plus extension plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. He plays football. Our interrogative is, does not he play football? Look at the another example. They play football. Our interrogative is, don't they play football? Rule 4. If the sentence is in past indefinite, then our structure is didn't plus subject plus base form of verb plus extension plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. Jerry liked the late spring. Our interrogative is, did not Jerry like the late spring? Rule 5. If the sentence have never and nothing, we should change never into ever and nothing into anything. Our structure is to be verb or do verb plus subject plus ever or anything plus extension plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. I shall never forget you. Our interrogative is, shall I ever forget you? Look at the another example. There was nothing to do. Our interrogative is, was there anything to do? Look at the other example. An honest man never tells a lie. Does an honest man ever tell a lie? Rule 6. If the sentence have everybody, everyone, all as a subject, then our structure will be who plus does not, did not, base form of verb, extension plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. Everyone hates a liar. Our interrogative is, who does not hate a liar? Look at the another example. All loved her. Our interrogative is, who did not love her? Rule 7. If everyone, all use as an adjective of sentence, then our structure will be, is there any plus noun after every plus who does not plus base form of verb plus extension plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. Every mother loves her child. Our interrogative is, Is there any mother who does not love her child? Look at the another example. All men hate a liar. Our interrogative is there any man who does not hate a liar? Rule 8. If the sentence have nobody, none, no one as a subject, then our structure will be who plus the part after nobody, none, no one plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. Nobody could ever count my love for you. Our interrogative is who could ever count my love for you? Rule 9. Sentence with there is no, nobody or none. Then our structure will be what or who. The part after there is no, nobody, none plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. There is no use of this law. Our interrogative is what is the use of this law? Look at the another example. There is nobody happier than Jamal. Our interrogative is who is happier than Jamal? Rule 10. If nothing used as a complement of a sentence, then it change into anything. Look at the example. There is nothing in the box. Our interrogative is there anything in the box? Rule 11. If nothing used as a subject of a sentence, we should use what in place of it. Look at the example. Nothing can stop him from doing this. Our interrogative is what can stop him from doing this? Rule 12. Negative sentence with nothing but. Then our structure will be what plus verb plus subject plus the part after nothing. Look at the example. Our life is nothing but a walking shadow. Our interrogative is what is our life but a walking shadow? Rule 13. If the sentence have it is no use, we can change it by the following way. Our structure is why plus present form of verb after use plus rest part of sentence plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. It is no use memorizing answer for any examination. Our interrogative is why memorize answer for any examination? Rule 14. If the sentence have does not matter, we can change it in the following way. What though plus the part after it doesn't matter plus marks of interrogation. Look at the example. It does not matter if we lose the game. Our interrogative is what though if we lose the game? Dear students, now I am going to give you some sentences as your homework. Please write it down. Number 1. Smoking is a bad habit. Number 2. Their glory can never fade. Number 3. Nobody can escape death. Number 4. Everyone wishes to be happy. Number 5. Every man must die. Number 6. No one can deny the truth. Number 7. There is nothing better than honesty. Number 8. There is no hope for me. Number 9. Our life is nothing but full of struggle. Number 10. Nobody believes a liar. Number 11. Friendship is nothing but a name. Number 12. It does not matter if they oppose me. Number 13. Everybody hankers after happiness. Number 14. I was sincere to my duties. Number 15. Money is nothing but anxieties. Dear students and viewers, that's all for today. Now I think you have a clear idea about how to convert any assertive into interrogative, and I hope you will be able to convert any assertive sentence into interrogative. I will be back with the rest part in my next class. Take care till then. Stay at home, remain safe and keep practicing. Dear viewers, if you like the class, please subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.